Hello everyone. Sometimes we want to edit PDF files but face problems. For example, we have to install a software or we have to pay. And even sometimes an image was converted into PDF so it cannot be edited easily. Today I will show one of the easiest way to edit a PDF for free. Take this as a sample. We will add logo of our channel in this PDF as well as erase the picture below. So without any delay, let's go. First, open your browser. Then go to the website iLovePDF.com. I will give the link in the description of this video. Here you have a wide range of options for working with a PDF for free. You can merge multiple PDF files into one, you can split one PDF file into multiple PDF, and you can convert PDF to Word file for free. For today's video, we will click Edit PDF, but you can check all others. Now, upload the PDF file you want to edit. I want to add a logo, so clicking Insert Image option. After uploading this logo, I need to adjust it. I also want to erase this picture. For this, let's select Draw option and select white color. I'm just painting white color on this picture, so now it's erased. Now click Edit PDF, then download it. Now you have a new PDF with all features you want. Most of the services provided by this website are free. Thanks for staying so far. Please subscribe for future contents.